Hi there, this is a quick video to show you how to put your portfolio together. I'm using Word 2003, but it's not very different to other versions, so you should be able to follow this easily. So first, open your portfolio document and I'll show you how you can add your scanned placement documents. So if your scanned documents are saved in PDF format, you can take a screenshot of it. On a Windows computer, there's usually a print screen button on the keyboard. On a Mac, it's Command Shift and number 3. So you can either drag and drop that image into Word, or you can locate the file on your machine going via Insert. So I'm going to do it by locating the file on the screen. So first I'll open up the PDF file. So I go into Finder, go into my placements folder, say that I want to attach my health and safety forms, which is part of the organizational details form. It's saved as a PDF file, and I only need page 2 and page 3. I'll zoom out first before I take a screenshot. And it's saved on the screenshots are saved onto my desktop. Now I'll go to where I want to attach, click Insert, Pictures from File, and it's saved onto my desktop. Screenshot. Once you have got the screenshot onto Word as an image file, you can now crop it. You can crop the file by going into Size, that's the crop button, and then I'll adjust it. The quality is not that great, but then that's fine as long as we can see the ID number, the name of the student, start date, and employer. So that's how you attach a scanned copy into your main portfolio document. You attach your milestone reports, which is also a signed document, the same way. This time I'll just drag and drop the file and use the same feature, size, crop, and adjust the size. So as you can see, I've managed to crop the last part off, which is not ideal. You need to have the date, the employee signature, and the student signature visible on each page of the milestone report, apart from the personal reflection. Next, I'd like to show you how you can add the table of contents and page numbers. So first we'll add the page numbers by simply clicking on Insert option and then Page Number, bottom of the page as the footer, alignment right. This is up to you where you want to put the page number. You can have it the center or left, the position, top of the page as the header. So it's completely up to you. I'm going to use bottom of the page. So the page numbers are now added. Before I add the table of contents, I have to change the font type to say that it's a heading. So what I'll do is I've highlighted organization description and selected that heading, that as a heading. Do the same for job description and health and safety forms and all the rest of the main headings that is inside your portfolio. Next, I can get Microsoft Word to automatically create a table of contents. So if I click on References, Table of Contents, which is the first option, and that's the only reason that it's appearing here on Table of Contents is because I've selected organization description, job description, and the rest of the text as headings. If it was chosen as normal text, it will not show up on your table of contents. You can choose to create this table of contents manually, but it always saves time if you've selected the right font, right format for you to create an automatic table of contents. Next, I'd like to show you how you can upload your placement portfolio to the My Success site in order for it to be marked. So you log into www.myskillsforsuccess.com with your given username and password. Click on Start Now, and you'll have to make sure that you're logged into HBS Placement 2014. You probably have various other evidences that you've added. I've got 6 evidences that I've added to this account. So the final portfolio you'll have to add as a new piece of evidence. Click on Add Evidence, give it a title, and a description. You can have anything you want in there, but you have to ensure that you have a title, have a description. Reference is optional, a link is optional. And now I'll locate the file on my PC, which is saved under my Documents, Placements folder, and it is final version 4. And I'll click on Upload. Save and close. Rating this evidence is again optional, and I'll map this evidence. As this is my final portfolio, it has all of these sections included, so I will take all of them and click Save. And to make sure that my portfolio has been uploaded, it's this one, Placement Portfolio. I can double check if the file is there. Save and close. I can go back. And the final step is to publish for marking. Click on Publish for marking, and then you'll be able to see the publishing link is now open. You click on Publish Now, which will take you back to a page that it looks similar to the View Evidence page, but with an added column called Select Evidence. And all my evidence are visible here, but I only want to select that one single file for marking. So I select that file and click Publish for marking. Are you sure you want to publish selected evidence? And I say yes. And make a note of this reference number. So if you do if I have any questions, you can quote this reference ID number for the development team to do any checks. Click OK. The published status was previously it was published now, and it's now changed to published. And that's it.